Alright guys, here we go. We're doing some Nick's Candy, the 1314 Upper Deck Ultimate. I just do this box as a treat to you guys. Nick mostly, but yeah, really cheap. Sold out fast. Here we go. Brian and Rick, and Nick, Tex and Todd, Dawkins. Yeah, well, you guys read it for once. Hey, oh, look at that's that Das guy. I don't know who. That's Dawkins, actually. I just can't spell. Brian. Actually, what? I have to check that. I don't know if... yeah, I guess Dawkins would have got it. I don't know. Oh, there's the rest of the dudes. So I'm going to check for a second. Ah, yes. Was Dawkins. Just making sure. I'll be okay eventually. So yeah, we're on 20s for this one, guys. So the 4 cards in the box, one of them might count for a 20 for somebody. Maybe 2. Alright, so Matt, 3 darts. Dawkins, or Dask, 3 darts. And then Matt, 3 darts again. Matt, 777. The Golf Nut. Dart. 111. And a 6. Working in the old 716 with Jason there. Alright, we got Dawkins coming up with 3. Single 1. 999 and 14 for Doc, my man. All right, and 3 more for Matt. Yeah, I think the shield's long gone. Probably pulled it for you, Todd. 111, 777, and Matt going big on darts tonight. 17. Nothing massive, no extra prizes. 5+ wheel spin started with Brian. 5 people with 5+ in this one. So. I've never won a shield either. So I pulled a couple, but never won any. The Bruins, Brian. You got yourself a couple inserts for the Bruins. Let's see what I can find you. Interesting. Yeah, you wouldn't have... yeah, you like those. We got these from Todd, and they're from Hockey Card Day in Canada, so you wouldn't be able to get them normally. I'm going to give you Gretz and Bo Horvat for your 2 inserts. 2 inserts. Alright, Rick. Oh, you're welcome, buddy. I thought that was a good choice. Hockey Day in Canada cards for American. Rick, you got a blank Phoenix Coyotes. So you can use that on your next box clear. Provided you don't have one going right now. I can't remember if you do or not. Anyways, Nick, you're up. My birthday is March 23rd. Nick! Oh my God, Nick! It's the Islanders! The Islanders, Nick! I don't have any hickeys for you though, sorry. So you're gonna have to suffer while I give you a fridge magnet instead. I only got 5 left here. Should get more in this week. And you're gonna get a Quisp with a free comic book inside. That's awesome. Quaker State sugary goodness right there for you. Again, guys, show your fridge magnets. I want to see them on the forum. Take your pictures. Tex. Yeah, I gave it away already, Todd. I gave it to Ed, I think. Nashville Predators for Tex is an extra dart. I gave somebody a hickey the other day. I'm very proud of it too. It's a good one. Single 4 for Tex. And Todd's wheel spin. Todd wants a magnet. Maybe it's got Terry Quisp in it. Todd, 2 darts. Canadian team, Winnipeg Jets. Boom. Smash, bang. You got a triple Nancy 1 and a triple 13. So 2 triples for Todd. All right, look at that. We're only 84 minutes in and we're finally at the box. Note this box has this hole burnt in it. Well, I don't know if it's burnt, but I'm guessing this thing poked through and it got all jankus. But I'm going to zoom in and show you that it is sealed. This deal is sealed. So I like how when they put this actually extra security on stuff like this. So, just saying, here we go. Whoa. Need Deep Pro go through the pack there. That's a massive. I thought I could have pulled it, but I couldn't do it. Weak. Alright, there we go. Longest box ever. Yeah, it's the total rig box of all time. Ha! 4. The St. Louis Blues and Nick got a card finally in Ultimates. Alexander Steen out of 499. Finally got a card, Nick. Ultimate Rookies for Ed and the New York Rangers. JT Miller. It's Miller time. For Ed. Nice. We got an autograph for the Chicago Blackhawks. Andrew Shaw. This hard autograph? I didn't think it was Shaw. I thought it was Kane when I took a quick look at it. Oh, it's got a little nick right there. See it on the video. And finishing off this box is... Oh, man. This is why I don't like Ultimate very much, because this box is mega weak. Going to Todd in the Pittsburgh Penguins. What's the matter, you? Holy Mata jersey. So there we go. We got a solid $5 worth of cards in that box here, fellas. But that's... That's Ultimate for you. Thank you guys for your support, and we'll catch you all on the next one. Have a great night.